Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to get a business loan from Moniepoint. First thing to do is to make sure you are eligible. For you to be eligible, you need to run your business account for at least 6 weeks to be very active with regular business transactions running through it. Secondly, once you have logged into your Moniepoint business dashboard, then you go to loans. When you tap into loans, then you select the option of the type of loan you want. Choose the option that fits your business need, such as working capital or an overdraft. So once you have done that, then you choose the amount and tenure. Review the offer very well before taking this loan. Then select your desired loan amount and repayment schedule, usually between 12 to 24 weeks. So after that, you confirm your selection and you submit. No documentation is required unless additional business verification is flagged. So once the loan is approved, the funds will be disbursed directly into your business account within 24 to 72 hours. Thanks for listening and good luck growing your business.